And so now what we're going to want to do is change our theme. The theme we currently have, that 2016 theme, is ugly, and we do not want that. We want to recreate my website with a pretty logo, pages and resources along the top, a call to action button, a beautiful big photo, nice, dynamic, professional, easy, responsive website. Remember, responsive is where the theme will fit on any device. So if you're on your phone, it still looks nice. It presents itself professionally. And that's the theme we're going to use. Is called the Zerif Lite theme. And we're going to go over back to our dashboard, and we're going to install that theme. The way to do that is right here under dashboard, change your theme completely. And we will hit the add new theme. And we can go in the search theme, it's Zerif, Zerif Lite. And there it is, Zerif Lite. And we'll want to hit just this install button right here. Okay, and it'll say downloading the package, successfully installed the Zerif Lite theme. What you'll want to do now is go right here and hit activate. That will actually activate our theme. Okay, so now we've activated it. It says out of all our themes, we have 4 there. We can get rid of them if we want, but for now it just says these are our themes. This is the one that's currently active, the Zerif Lite. You can go to dashboard. And now when we want to see what our website looks like, let's take a look. Let's hit visit site. And now we've got the Zerif Lite website going. Okay, and now we're ready to rock and roll, because we've changed the theme of our website, and now we're going to begin customizing it to make it ours.